Namaskar. Welcome to Savarkar IAS Study Circle, an activity of Swatantravir Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, Dadar, Mumbai. Here we are going to discuss about preparatory batch for various competitive examinations. So it may be UPSC Civil Services Examination, it may be CDS, that is Combined Defense Services Examination, then NDA, that is National Defense Academy Entrance Test, then IIT JEE, NEET, that is NEET, and variety of such competitive examinations. For these competitive examinations, whatever the fundamental things are there, we are going to prepare it. So this batch is not intended for any specific competitive examination, but in general, whatever the basic things are there, that how to answer the questions, what are the types of question, particularly MCQ type question, that is multiple choice question. So multiple choice questions are there, how to answer them, then practice of such type of exam, that is focused here. So this course is of total duration, that is of 50 hours. So it will start at 15th of April and end at 15th of May. The second batch will start at 15th of May and end at 15th of June. So total 2 batches are there for this preparatory, that is fundamental course. Now, what are the topics we are going to cover? The fundamentals of history, geography, then physics, chemistry, biology, economics, political science, simple arithmetics, data interpretation, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, simple arithmetics. So these topics we are going to cover, but only at fundamental level. Now, apart from that, we will have total 3 tests in this. The test number 1 will be conducted after 15 days of the classes. So sufficient data is there with the student, and with that we are conducting our first test. Test is important, only MCQ type question, but what is the most important thing? That is the analysis of that test. So here we are carrying out analysis of this test. After this analysis, after 8 days, student will face second test, that is second MCQ type test. Usually these tests, they are there of 25 marks, 25 questions will be there. So portion for first test plus second test added. Now at the end of course, there will be after end of course, there will be third test, which is of 100 marks, MCQ type only, because first test, that is there to just understand how test is there, how the questions are asked, how to answer that question. That's why again I am telling you that explanation and analysis of that question paper is more important. So here, after getting knowledge of first test and analysis of first test, student is going to appear for second test, and after checking out, say, what are the strategies we have to use for test, the third test is there after end of the course. So total 3 tests are there, 25 marks each, 2 tests, and final test will be of 100 marks. Right answer will carry +1 mark, wrong answer will carry -1 marks. Now, what is the criteria? Who can join this batch? Answer: school students from 8th standard till college going any student can appear for this course, because this is fundamental course. So if you want to prepare for UPSC Civil Services, National Defense Academy, or any such competitive examination, you can join this course. Or if you don't want to do that, but want to get better marks or better thing in academics, then also this course is useful. Suppose a student is school going student, then that student will get clear knowledge of fundamentals. Say here in Sanskrit, two different words are there. That is Vidyarthi and Pariksharthi. The one who is oriented for examination only, that is called as Pariksharthi. And one who is oriented to get knowledge, that is called as Vidyarthi. We are focusing this batch to get knowledge, to create Vidyarthi rather than Pariksharthi. So it's very, very clear from our side that we are giving a fundamental level guidance for the student that will generate idea how to study. A particular topic is there, how to study that topic, then note making skill, because we are teaching here how to prepare the notes, how to make tabular form, tree diagram like structure, or simply descriptive type of writing. So these things are considered here. So student will get knowledge of making notes. Now, after this completion of course, we have one more facility for you. If you want to join our class as a regular basis, say for example, we are conducting out classes for UPSC Civil Services examinations, Combined Defense Services examination, National Defense Academy entrance test, and Maharashtra Public Service Commission Civil Services exam. So for that purpose, we have this type of classes. So if you are going for a preparatory batch, you are completing out preparatory batch, and you are joining our main class, then two types of discounts we are giving. The number one, whatever you have paid the fees for preparatory batch, that entire amount will be deducted from the course fee of main batch. That is the first discount. And second discount, that is based on marks you obtained in the final test of preparatory batch. So if your just chart is there in front of you, your marks are between 50 to 60. Rather, I should say 59. So 50 to 59 marks, you will get 5% discount in the fees. If 60 to 69, double of previous one, that is 10% discount. 279, double of previous, that is 20% discount. 80 to 89, double of previous, that is 40% discount, 40. And finally, if you are crossing 90 plus, then 100% discount in the fees of main batch. That is the plus advantage of this course. Now, what is the fees you have to pay for this course? That is 5,000 rupees inclusive of GST. So, 1 month duration, daily 2 hours class, Sunday will be holiday. But on the requirement, we may call student for more time also. Because whatever we are prescribing hour, that is 50 hours, they are minimum. May be possible 5 hours plus or minus, usually plus, that is going to take place. So this course will be very, very useful to create idea in the mind that how to study, what points we have to remember, how to understand the topic, and for that purpose this course is useful. So I hope with this much of knowledge, you can definitely say cell phone number is highlighted over here. You can call on this cell phone number, or the best thing I would suggest you that just send your name, WhatsApp your name. You will get automatic response about other information of this examination. And more important thing, if you want to discuss anything, please WhatsApp on this number. Don't call, WhatsApp on this number and take appointment. You can come personally here on this address given here. I am highlighting address once again here. So you can come personally with prior appointment and we can discuss further. Thanks for observing this video. Namaskar. Welcome to Swatantraveer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak. We are discussing about Savarkar IAS Study Circle. That is an activity of Swatantraveer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak. We are discussing here about UPSC Civil Services examinations, particularly coaching for UPSC Civil Services examinations. But let me clarify that if you want information about this UPSC Civil Services examinations, then just here you will get a link. So you can click on that link, or all links, related links, whatever the related links are there, they are posted in the description of this video. So you can go through that description where links are there. If sometime may be possible some errors are there, that link will not be clickable. So at that time you have to just copy that link and paste in the address bar over here. So that link will get open. Or last option, just visit our YouTube channel, that is Savarkar IAS Study Circle. All these videos are there on this channel only. So let us start this discussion now. Our batch that is intended for UPSC Civil Services examination, and about that only prelim examinations. Say, total duration of this batch is of 500 hours. So daily 2 hours classes are there, but on requirement we can extend it, or we can call students on Sundays also. 500 hour duration, that is the minimum duration, may get extended. The completion of portion, whatever we are going to discuss, that is the target date is of 30 March. That is the target date to end the portion, whereas we are conducting out offline regular coaching plus test series, that is 50 plus unit tests are there. No separate these test series are there. Only here we have this called as regular students. For them only we have this test series, that is of 50 plus tests with analysis, and 3 mock prelims with analysis. Everywhere we can consider with analysis is the suffix we have to add. Now total fees, that is 80,000 rupees, 80,000 rupees, that is the total fees. How to pay? If you are able to pay at a time, all right. Otherwise, pay in the installment 10,000 rupees each for 8 months. You can pay more also if available is there, then you can pay more also. But minimum payment is 10,000 per month. This 80,000 fees, that is inclusive of 1/8, that is 18% GST in it. Now, medium of instruction obviously English, but on requirement we can discuss with Marathi as well as Hindi if required. Now, next thing, that video lecture backup will be provided here. So students can study in the classroom as offline class, but by some problem, suppose student is not able to attend particular class, then you have facility to revise it, because online video, pre-recorded video lecture backup is there with you. Second, you can prepare your own notes. How? First, you have to observe the video lecture, that is online video lecture, pre-recorded video lecture is there, you have to observe, then come for class, because in video lecture you can't ask me questions. So that is only one way of communication. But next day when you are coming to class, at that time we are revising almost all, everything is revised. If you are observing video lecture prior and then coming for class, and then you can ask, you can communicate clearly here, because our batch size is very limited. Only 25 students, fresh 25 students we are taking, and 4 seats additional are there. They are reserved for previous year student. If they want to attend some topic, then they can come and attend. So maximum strength is 29. So there is personal contact and you can communicate directly. Now, after going home, either you can start preparation of your notes, or you can go through video lecture once again and start preparing your own note from that video lecture. Then you have to keep some some space, maybe possible 4 pages or 5 pages you have to keep, because after this you have to go through manual and prepare your part which is not discussed in the lecture, that you have to prepare from manual, and still you want to prepare deep note, then obviously you have to go through reference books. And by going through reference book, you can prepare the note. No ready-made notes are provided by our classes. Because when you are preparing your own notes, your knowledge is thorough. No separate writing practice is required for mains examination. No coaching is required for mains examination because you are preparing your own note. That is the most important thing. Now, second, that 50 plus tests are conducted. Each test is followed by analysis. All MCQ tests are there, but that will create you that confidence in your mind that how questions are asked and how you are going to answer that question. After 2, 3, 4, 5 tests, you will get slowly confidence. You will get fantastic practice of that test because only this is not that you have to appear for test. You have to go through video lectures. You have to go through reference books. You have to go through the manuals, go through your own prepared notes, and you have to appear for practice test. And therefore, automatic study that is going to get carried out from our center. Now, after end of the course, that means around 30 March, we are going to end. Some test series may be extended, that will be till 30th of April. And after that, we are conducting out 3 mock prelims. Obviously with analysis. So around 1st or 2nd May, we are conducting first test. Then after that, 8 days gap is there approximately. Then second test, second prelim, and after 8 days, third prelim. So you will get complete study here. But keep in mind, the lecture, we can't say that we are going to teach 100% because for UPSC, sky is the limit. Whatever the study is there. So our role is there to take you in the subject. Okay. And then you have to explore it at your own. So this is something we are going to discuss about UPSC Civil Services examination. Batch timing, a fixed batch timing is there, that is 6:30 to 8:30 every day. Whereas on Sunday, the class will be from Monday to Saturday. Whereas on Sunday, on requirement, we are going to call. So if you are having any doubt or you want to observe video lectures, then obvious thing is that you can go through this video lectures backup also. For that purpose, number is there on screen. You can check this number. On this number, you have to WhatsApp your name. Keep in mind, don't call. WhatsApp your name. You will get automatic response where you will get a lecture set, a free lecture set first. So go through that lecture set. If you are able to follow these lectures, then obviously come here and join the class. Thanks for observing this video. And one more important thing, that I told the fees 80,000. But if you want concession, then concession is also available. So for that purpose, go through the video link in the description. Namaskar. Welcome to Savarkar IAS Study Circle, an activity of Swatantraveer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, Dadar, Mumbai. We are discussing here about Combined Defense Services, that is CDS examinations. Now here you are aware, for CDS, for IMA or Air Force Academy, that is AFA, and Naval Academy, that is NA. 3 papers are there: General Studies, English and Mathematics. Whereas for OTA, 2 papers are there, that is General Studies and English. Now here we are going to discuss, we are going to conduct a class only for GS and English. So if you want to join for OTA, you can join. If you want to join for CDS, other exams in CDS like Air Force Academy, Naval Academy or IMA, then you have to carry out maths at your own. But General Studies and English, that is available here. So total class, that is of 300 hours from Monday to Thursday. Every day you have to come on 6:30 to 8:30. Whereas on Sunday, if required things are there, then we can call. Otherwise, classes timing will be fixed from Monday to Thursday. Now that will include 300 hours of coaching, minimum 300 hours of coaching, then 30 mock tests with analysis and 3 mock prelims with analysis. So this is about classes timing, duration. Generally, we are giving you information or encouraging you that you have to finish out class totally in 1 year. So no doubt examinations are conducted twice in a year, but we are starting out our batch at June, and it is expected that you have to attend examination that is conducted in April. So first examination, after that only revision is there, so you can, if required, you can go for September and April attempt also. But generally we recommend you that batch is of 1 year and not of 6 months, or say for that only September target. Now fees, total fees will be of 60,000 rupees inclusive of GST. If you are not able to pay at a time, then you can pay in installment. So 10,000 per month, like that within 6 installment you can pay the fees. If you are not able to clear out in first attempt and you want to appear for class again, then we are charging you no amount. So you can appear, reappear. If particular topic you want to appear, then also what is the important thing here, that batch size is very small. So total 25 students we are taking in a batch, whereas 4 students, 4 additional chairs are there. Therefore, they are for previous year student if you want to attend the class again or particular topic again. So this is something about, if you want discount in the fees, then that facility is also available over here. For that purpose, you have to go through another video. Just link is provided in the description of this video only. Else, I should say that variety of useful links we are providing in the description of this video. So how to obtain concession in the fees, for that purpose test link is given in the description, so you can go through that link. Thanks. Namaskar. Welcome to Savarkar IAS Study Circle, an activity of Swatantravir Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, Dadar, Mumbai. We are going to discuss about the classes coaching conducted for NDA entrance test, that is National Defence Academy entrance test. The part first, that classes are there for only paper 2 of NDA entrance. Paper 1 you have to do yourself, that is of mathematics paper. 300 marks mathematics paper is there. But usually what happens, the students, those who are appearing for paper for NDA, they are also already they are connected with some coaching classes, and maths is carried out there also if you are going for IIT JEE or sort of AIEEE or some sort of that exams. Then so we are not able to get sufficient time, and therefore classes are only made for paper 2. So paper 2 is of 600 marks, that will include GS and English. So total 300 hours duration minimum. Maybe possible we can extend, but minimum 300 hours duration will be there. Exams are conducted twice in year, but our coaching is there of total 1 year. So 30 March is 1 year means academic year. 30 March is the date to finish out portion from our side. That course includes 30 mock tests and 3 mock prelims with analysis. So everything is with analysis. You will get video lectures backup, that is free of cost. We'll have library facility here, and the most important thing, that we are carrying out special efforts to develop personality of the student. But no special or specific coaching is there in order to for SSB, medical, like that. So this is most important thing. We are focusing only on paper 2 of NDA examination. Now medium of instruction is English, but on requirement we can discuss in Marathi and Hindi also. Now total fees, that is 60,000 rupees inclusive GST. If you want installment, then 10,000 rupees per month you have to pay for consecutive 6 months, and no installment charges are also there. Now if you want discount in the fees, then obvious thing is that you have to go through the link provided in the video, description of this video, where how to obtain that discount, that is also given. So I hope you will come and join this class. Details are shared here. Thanks for observing this.